Okay, well, one of the things people forget to do when they get a new house is to change their locks. It's a very simple process. I'm not going to go into detail on why you should change your locks or how to change your locks, but you got to realize that however many owners owned this house before you may have that key that goes to your house. And just briefly, I'll show you what I like to do, and it makes it easier on everybody, and that's to get something, don't worry about the brand, but get something that has rekey technology or a rekey system that's built in, so you don't have to go and hire a locksmith to rekey anything. So for me right now, we're going with Kwikset because they're the cheapest. Well, let me put it, they're the most inexpensive brand. I think one of these was like $25, and then a double set with a deadbolt was about $39. But anyway, just something I wanted to throw out there because we got this house and we've had it for quite some time. This is the first time I've been able to get up here to do anything to the house. So we have several doors that need new locks. As a matter of fact, the lock that's on the pole barn over there doesn't even work. So we were given a set of keys that literally had 8 keys on the keychain, and only half of them work on the doors that we have, and the other half we have no idea what they go to. So anyway, just here's a quick look of the property from the back here. That's looking down the driveway towards the street. Here's our pole barn. I'll show you that later. Here's our propane tank. I'll show you that later. Wood boiler. Behind that was a dog kennel, which I'll explain more in detail on what I'm going to do with that later. And then just some more of the house and the woods back there. Alright, anyway, this is just a quick warning to make sure that you change your locks. Trust me on this. I have personal experience with not having done so. And it also goes back to a bad realtor. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. Alrighty, on to the next.